In the history of humanity, there are relatively fewer people who have mastered happiness, wisdom, and wealth all three together. It is generally observed and experienced that happiness comes at the cost of wealth, wealth comes at the cost of happiness. Often both can come at the cost of wisdom. People can't manage to harmonize between these three seemingly different and opposite aspects. The fact of the matter is that they are complementary. Krishna is one soul who proved through the process of his life how these three can exist complementarily. He was not just incredibly wise, but he was extremely joyful and also a wealthy king. It should be our endeavor in life to harmonize these three and not give up on either of them. There is a certain way in which one can make this possible if one sets the sequence right. The sequence between rich, happy, and wise has to be right for a person to become all three and for a person to sustain all three. Along with it, there is this essential aspect of values. We also often feel that one can't be wealthy or extremely wealthy, keeping one's values intact. And then there is this other aspect that what use is wealth, which comes at the cost of values. And then again, what use are values if they come in the way of living in abundance? So again, besides wealth, happiness, and wisdom is the angle of values. Because values also give us power, and if we live without moral values, without a moral compass, we can't be powerful human beings. So what is the trick that allows for wealth, happiness, wisdom, and power, all four to coexist without making any of them a sacrificial lamb? How to operate in a way that these four reinforce each other rather than eat into each other? How to be wealthy and happy both? How to have work-life balance? How to see to it that even if you maintain your values, you make as much money or more money than those who are ready to compromise on their values? How to see to it that even if you are deep, you are not necessarily serious, but you are joyful? These are the questions we will explore together in the upcoming webinar. I wholeheartedly invite you, coming Saturday evening, spend these 2.5 hours with me, explore these paradoxes of life, look at them in the light of how Krishna lived his life, and create for yourself a certain matrix of wealth, happiness, wisdom, and power, wherein the four of these complement each other, energize each other, so that you can live a full spectrum life.